My name is Kelly Alexander, and I'm the program director at the Sanctuary at Sedona. And I'm here to talk with you about our 15-day program for victims and survivors of narcissistic abuse. Our program came about because there is a need. We have seen a rise in narcissism over the last decade or so, and more clients are coming to us feeling gaslit, feeling confused, giving their power away, in relationships where they have lost their voice. They have lost their own sense of their truth. They no longer know what their needs are versus somebody else's needs. Their focus has stopped being on them and been completely hijacked by the other. And this can be completely debilitating because people who often say that they led a very empowered life, they felt very successful, they felt very happy, they felt very connected. All of a sudden, after being in these abusive, narcissistic relationships, start questioning themselves, start questioning their worth, start questioning their sanity. They no longer have the passion and purpose for their own energy, their own life. And we've developed a program that is going to help them in two weeks and 15 days to not only self-regulate, get out of overwhelm, gain some clarity, ground in, but be able to get to sort of the underlying issues so they no longer give their power away. They no longer question themselves. They no longer feel like they're in a crazy making situation, that they have reclaimed their own meaning in their own life rather than giving that power away to somebody else.